truck off a family that said their dad loved the truck, just loved the pieces, and I think they did at one time too. But the guy's name's Gary, and I think his wife's named Nicole, if I remember from the paperwork I was doing. So Gary said his father-in-law's truck. And I gotta say, thanks a lot. If it's Nicole, thanks a lot. It says, "I love you, Dad," with 2 little handprints on it. I can't get rid of that. Like, what person in the world would get rid of something like that? I mean, they must have a soul as cold as ice. This truck was loved by somebody too much. I can't. Now I'm stuck with it. Man, I can't stand that off, and I won't be able to sleep at night.